Hello everyone, this is Michelle again. Today I'd like to introduce our why I want to speak to you. It's a 6.5-inch monitor speaker. It can stand on the flat ground like a table or stand. It can put a bag. Also can do as monitor. It's a real monitor now. You can see here it's for battery. Let me show you the amplifier. This is classic amplifier with DSP inside. We have channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. Channel 3 is normally for Bluetooth and RCA input. Now it's playing channel 1. We can check the bass. No bass now. Too much. Treble. Also the effect. Volume up. If you use Bluetooth, you can link to another speaker by TWS. It works like a pair. And you can see this is battery speaker. Here you can see the LED indication for the battery information. If really too low battery, you can see here. It has one handle on the top. You can easily carry it. And you know how much of this weight? It's around 7 kilos with battery inside and around 6.5 without battery. You can very easily take it. Now let's connect Bluetooth and TWS. First, press the Bluetooth button here and here. And then you need to connect the TWS button at the same time. You can see both connecting is blinking. You can see one speaker is blinking, another one stopped blinking. It means they connected well. You can connect one speaker to your mobile now by Bluetooth. You can play music now.
我的爱也真，月亮代表我的心。你问我爱你有多深，我爱你有几分？我的情不移，我的爱不变，月亮代表我的